So, if you are an anime fan, then you will know about Naruto, probably. Many viewers who is watching this video have already watched it on TV, and if you are very rich, you have many money to spend, then you have watched it on Funimation or on Crunchyroll, and the others like me who don't have much money to spend. So there is over 1,000 videos where you can learn how to draw Naruto. But this video is very different from them because in this video I'm going to show you how to draw Naruto like a boss. First, start making with a circle. Now to draw the face shape, start with two parallel lines each side of the circle. Now draw the chin using a horizontal small line and connect those three lines with a oval shape. Now connect these two points like this. Dividing the face into two parts, draw the eyebrows, halfly hidden in the hairband. Now make two parallel guidelines to draw the eyes, just below the eyebrows. Now draw the stripes in this area. Then connect second and third row stripes with a dotted line. Now make the nostrils in the second row dotted line and the mouth in the third row dotted. To show the lips, add a small line below the mouth. Just draw the outer side of the ears. Now time to draw the hairs. Now draw the hairband and hair spikes using the upper side of the circle as a skeleton. And that's all. Add some more details into your drawing and your Naruto is ready to be the Hokage.